Sunrise Boss Production.
One bro, God. For me, the voice, you know what I do, I'm representing for Sunrise Boss.
Some thunder and lightning. We just find the amount of water we're going now. We can catch up back. Yeah, man, fully active, you know, my peeps, in a real life. Yeah, man. One more big cooking I go on with the idea, you know. You say I go cook a one dance. Yeah, man, you good, man. They're on vacation and still working, I think, at chattings. Yeah. See there? So you know, so me just there, you know, a season of some chicken. Yeah, because them want me grill some chicken and some pork and boil some soup. So that me I go on with. Besides, so I season up my jerk then now. Sunrise Boss Production in a real life. One season up then, so you know, say whenever I'm ready for jerk them fully active. And the pork you know, I have it, but me mostly I go season up the water when I scald off the pork, you know, you see pre. Yeah man, so just go and watch how me season the chicken in a real life. Yeah man, Sunrise Boss Production, man. See it there? Season, make sure so them season good. Yeah man, throw some more season over them same way. You see pre. So me I go through and season them. So whenever me reach which part me I go grill them, me make you see what go on, how the place set up. But for now me just there go and season up some chicken for grilling. See please, so just subscribe to the channel. And when me reach pan the venue, me make you see what I go on. Cause season me I season up, so me need me 2 hands to season up the meat them proper. You see pre? Yeah man, 1 hand cannot do it. So I go put on the camera and finish season up the meat them. And when me reach out to spot me I grill them, do the cooking, make you see what I go on. Subscribe to the channel, remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Everything reach pan the premises I know, you know, but look pan the jerk pan, well on. Clean up the feet. I don't know, me a creep off. Yeah. Could come cook on them. Call up after. Yeah man, fully active. So you know me just there, clean up the jerk pan, then we go wash it out with some bleach water, and then start the cooking piece. Man, I've on a big pot over this already with the pork scald off. So I just there now clean up the jerk pan. Then wash it out, start grill some chicken. Subscribe to the channel, fully active. We're there in the kitchen. In a real life, fully active. Yeah man, want to cook some red peas soup. Yeah man, want to use some red peas with coconut milk. Easy free. Yeah man, up here some. I scald off them now when I done, because I find out say the meat over here in Bahamas, I have to scald it off. You see free, Jamaica. Free meat them natural, so we not scald them off, but them a meat come like them rubber and some molly things pan them. So you good when you go cook them, you scald them off first. So me have some ribs also. And also me have some ham. You see pre? Yeah man, so them that go boil soup in a real life, so it will be red peas and the ham And the ribs as he pre-look over there, so jerk pan a smoke. So I go to the pork pot. Yeah man, pork there, skull off thing Sunrise Boss ramp. This my boil the soup in also. So when I done, you know, I wash him out clean. Yeah man, but they are going to skull off pork. Pork in that a skull off my babes. Jerk pan. Yes I. Put smoke. Sunrise Boss production. And man, now 6 pieces of chicken here, so I go on grill. Then one over here, so then just I go and take in some smoke flavor for now because it's early. So I don't want to jerk the whole of the chicken at one time and then later on at the night, then dry out, you see? Yeah man, so we just there you know. I jerk them 6 pieces there and then I go and take some smoke flavor. Whenever them they don't jerk, I put them there over here so I make them they go and take time jerk. Over here, so this I go wash up here now and clean up. More and deal with the pork. So the pork I got jerk here so. And over here so I have the chicken. There's the pre and over there so there's a kitchen. Yeah man. And a real life. So just subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend in a real life. Yeah man, I like the kitchen, everything active. In a real life. Everything active. But I do my best with this piece. You know lie. Every jerk pan I use up and I have to clean them. Cause I come like they not clean out them jerk pan when they don't use it. But I try my best. Yeah man, I put a mesh down there so. So if I tell you it's the fire we burn out the jerk pan, yeah man. So I put piece of mesh down there. So nice when you make on the jerk pan, you put piece of zinc or something in it, make them hold it inside it. It's zippy, but it clean now. Right, pork done skull off already, you know. It's a good look. Pork they can come off here now. And the peas done boil. So I take off the peas and see it there. Put on the ham for go and skull off. After I'm done skull off, you know, I skull off the ribs them. Yeah, but I not skull them off together, you see. I skull them off separate. In a real life. So right now I'm going to take off this. And wash out the pot so I can get the pot to use in a real life. Yeah man, you know say right now and one pot me see they have your lucky thing with the car then full little pot there. So right now that pot they don't skull off. What I have to go do? I have to go just rinse out the igloo yeah. And throw the pork in it. You see pre? Yeah, till me ready for jerky. So I can rinse out the pot and start deal with in a real life man, just subscribe to the channel man, fully active man. Look what I go on here so. Yes, so you can rub on some the sauce pan then you know. Yeah man, in a real life. Notice you see no burn pan them. Yeah, cause when you jerk a chicken, you have to check them every second. You have to check them and turn them so the both side cook even. You see pretty? Yeah man, them pretty. Yeah, them pretty and them have a taste nice. Yeah man, can I go deal with some sauce for them in a real life. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I go choose something up here so to make some sauce to base them with in a real life. It go nice. And this is what see peas done boil already, so peas are going in our soup. Yeah man, so I'm going to take off a pot here now and put and throw in a igloo, wash it out and start cook again. In a real life. Subscribe to the channel now man. Where you wait for look how long you watch and now you're not subscribe. Make it be the time now. Yes. Sauce ready. For basic chicken then in a real life. I could show you when I use make it a zippery. Because I don't want them teeth my style a zippery. You see there? This is how I use and basic chicken then now. Yes I see that pork fire did I start catch up to in a real life. Now my paintbrush over here so. just subscribe to the channel, man. The man paintbrush brand new, so me there pull it off. Okay. And I'll do it brand new. You know you have to wash it off same way. Yes, I see it there now. Sauce up the chicken then. And you see from the sauce them, I go take them from over the fire. Because sauce will go over them now. If you fire too high on them, then we burn. You see pre? Yes, fully active, man. Sunrise Boss production. You see pre? The sauce thick. Sauce is two side of them. Saying good. And as you see, we season it up. So just imagine how this a chicken a taste. Because you see how I rub on the seasoning pan him. And now, you come here now and still a sauce up. I don't know, man. Alright. So what I'm going to do, I put on them there more near the fire and cure up them up from the fire. You see pre? Yeah, because them they are almost done. So them not cure them more near to the fire. And move them go up so just eat and smoke will finish them there. Yeah, after that, that shot things fire phone. Yes, eat fully active, man. Well sauce up and pretty. Yeah, man. Just do the right thing, man. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend if you tell a friend. Outside, nice venue this to your Zipri. Yeah, man. In a real life. Yeah, man. See that? Pork then done scald off and ready for jerk. But watch it. See the fire blaze. Yeah, man. I threw me clean up the grill a while ago. So I'm now going to put on the chicken and make the fire go and blaze and burn off a fire grill. In a real life. Yeah, man. So fire blaze. Wicked. Put on them up on the fire now. Make them get brown and pretty. So that's soft. Yeah, man. So I don't want a whole heap of fire on them. Yeah, the chicken are go on good. Active, man. So as soon as the fire burn out, I go put on them upon it. Jerk pork, Sunrise Boss production. Yo, right now rain about to start falling up, peeps, on thunder and lightning and lick. Janu, there you know I line up some pumpkins to put in a soup. And I'm there I cut up a pumpkin, but some lightning and thunder, yeah, rain upon the house stuff, you know, look good. From there I go and do my cooking in a real life. Yeah, man, I line up the things them for the soup, you know. Yo, you know, look good. Rain there for chew, you know. Watch out, look on the pork pan. Boy, yo boy, what that going on? Lock it back. Yo, and the breeze are blue. Yo, look at the breeze are blue. Breeze are blue, man. Lift up everything in our kitchen. Yeah, you know, look good. You only put your pan now and stop later on. As you see, but right now, you look good because fall hard. And look at blue in. See there? Come like a hurricane settings. You know, don't look good. Why don't I tell Mr. Hurricane check me for Bahamas? Look that one. Breeze and blew up to today. Look at that fire! Fire! I don't know what joy with that kitchen me, you know. Yeah, joy with that kitchen peeps. Water come in my room. Me have to use the broom. Yeah man, but me there active same way. I have to hide the jerk pan time amount of water we go in here a while ago peeps. Amount of water we go in my pork pan a while ago, you almost out the fire. But see smoke there, so you know say it a catch up back. Yeah man. Oh, the rain kinda give me a little ease down here now, but rain out is a fire here peeps. Rain out is a fire here. So what I have to do, I have to take out the jerk chicken them. The chicken them done jerk, so I move the chicken them for over there so and put them in another pan and put them in here so. You see it so it keep warm. But over here so you know, now when I have to put them a jerk. Because I done jerk the chicken them already, so I can start jerk the pork them over here so. You want to see them? I'm fully active. Pretty down and they also have a taste good in a real life. Fire always have a catch up on them because remember pork full of fat, so you know say the fire always have a blaze up on that, so when you jerk them you have to always go near the fire and I watch them because them a drip oil in a coal and then it will blaze up and the pork will catch a fire. In a real life. Over here so you know I want the soup pot to start boil up. Yeah man, it soon start boil up in a real life. So I can put in the rest of stuff then. Yo, the rain come hard a while ago, the rain come hard. Wash out the kitchen but now it stopped. I up back and running. I have some pork and jerk and see the rest here. Yeah man, this is how them look when I scar them off. So then I scar off and ready to go grill. So as soon as they want they done grill, I go grill them on a peeps in a real life. See time my breadfruit this I go and soak off. You know have to soak it off now, but why? I do it through the soup pot want to start boil up so I can start putting my breadfruit and yam and coke and all of them there. You see pretty. Yeah man, nice soup pot right now, nice soup pot I just two meat them, I scar off the meat them and then I throw them in my pot. So I just have the meat them, the pumpkin and the carrot in my pot and I boil. You see pretty? So when them get boil up and boil up and boil up, after I put in the rest of things then the breadfruit, the yam and the dumpling and all of them there. Then in my last, you know, so I put in the noodle, then it done cook. You see pretty? Yeah man, I'm talking about that to me have one coconut milk to throw in it too. Because remember I throw some peas in it, so you know a pea soup, I have throw in one coconut milk in it. Subscribe to the channel in a real life. Fully active now. Right now I line up the stuff like for the soup. Yeah man, they are cut up some yam now. Yeah man, look, soup at a bubble. So I put in everything you know, yam, pork, corn, dumpling, everything I'm going in here now. I already put in the peas. So, and the meat in there almost cooked already. So already ready for everything I know keeps. Yeah man, this is the cocoa. Yeah man, the cocoa this I cut up. Throw them in a pot. Already put in the breadfruit already. Yeah man, can smell it. Soup pot. See there? So all of them here now, I throw them in the pot. Pot a bubble. So much steam a come out there. Throw in them now. Yes I. So make you sit down in it. Soon get my camera light and show you what I go on, but pot a bubble. When I done put in everything, I make you see what I go on. Yeah man. Pot a bubble man. The steam will come out today. So you know say it a bubble today. Soup pot a bubble. Ease off. And don't forget the camera. Yo, we pot a bubble you can't even see night peeps. Can you imagine if this turn over upon your foot and not normal? You see it there? Yeah man. That bubble man, you can't even see on that pot to wait a bubble. See it there? Yum and the meat and the peas and corn. Yes I. We have around 20 more minutes tonight showing coconut milk tonight, you know. Yes. Yeah man. So only thing left to go tonight, you know, my peeps. A couple more cotton noodles, you see? Yeah man, see I'm sure whole eye. Only a couple more cotton noodles left to go tonight, and I'm showing a couple cotton noodles already. So while the food them a cook with little flavor. So while I give them milk at least 10 minutes to boil out in a pot, then I throw in the rest of cotton noodle. And then you know say soup the pan done in. But look on here pretty already. Yeah man. Sunrise Boss production man. In a real life. They are story big pot. Fully active man. Cover back here now. Yeah, and them almost done here now, you know. Yeah man, them pork here done here now too. So I can take off them jerk pork there now. Then I want them are done completely. And they are going to come out down. Yeah man, keep them warm. See steam will come out there. Yeah man. Fully active man in a real life. We are going to feed chicken. Over here, so we have the chicken. Look there. Steam will come out of the chicken. So the chicken them will keep well hot and soft. Because I put some sauce in the pan. Yeah, man, I throw some ketchup water in the pan. So then keep soft and nice. Sunrise Boss production, man. In a real life. So just subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Everything active. Clean up here now. Yeah. In so I have a couple more chicken for grill. But I don't want to grill everything one time and then them dry out. But at the same time I don't want to have them here so and then spoil. So I have to put them on the grill. In a real life. Yeah man. Butter gone. See that monster. Yeah man, I have to eat some energy drinks while me in the kitchen. Energy drink and water, that's all I'm eating in the kitchen. In real life. Yeah, so I'm going to go there now, put them on the fire. Because I don't want them to spoil, you know. So I'm going to put them on some low fire. So then take them time and go and grill. Cause I have somewhere grill already. But you know them spoil and I don't have a fridge to put them on. So better I put them on the grill. Yeah man. I'll go grill now. In a real life. Watch a super top bubble. Yeah man. And the thing left for going is a couple noodles. I have 4 more noodles to put in here. And I eat that. So next time you see this, I put in the noodle and yo, I say we a pot of boiled peeps, so can't even see in here. If your camera drop in here, I know I mash up instant. Christine. Wow. It's like it depend. Yeah man, it's a carry, you know. But this come like it's a 18 or a 20. See regular carrying them, yeah? Yeah, you see two of them that are regular carrying. But that one is bigger. Meaning them that are good size 14 or 15. But this is 18 or 20. Maybe me right or me wrong. But it's big. Yes. So you know if I know you know. One of the final touch this you know. Only thing you must want after me throwing them a noodle, I must little salt and maybe you know want none. I go stir it and taste it. We are glimpsing in a pot all pretty. Go on the side and see if you can see it. So but pretty in a pot now. Yes peeps. People come now and want soup can share. Next 10 minutes time now, soup can share peeps. In a real life. Yeah, that. I mean, it's a good look. Just cover him up the back. Yes. Just put on chicken now and I'm going with. Okay. You're not active. Yeah man, fully active. Yeah man, that I go on up and what I go on. Subscribe to the channel man. Fully active and wash up them thing there now. Then we can relax. Cause everything they can simmer down. Subscribe to the channel.